Our risk calculation stays inside during the winter. Risk, from our perspective, is the things that Allah can test us with, the things that we do not like, the things that can hurt us, the matters that Allah Azza wa Jalla mentioned in the verse that we will surely be tested from these, and we will definitely test you with a fearful situation. It could be an invasion by an enemy. Object fall from sky, ground split, major earthquake occur, building collapse, trade suddenly interrupted, family order disrupted, children fall ill, spouse loss. We will test you with fear, all kinds listed in verse. Those based on fear, wal-jui hunger, famine. Sir, this is an important danger, distress. Did the shelves suddenly go empty in the markets? People are facing a big crisis situation. Couldn't find any food to take home in the evening? Didn't he find anything to eat? Did she starve that day? Did he start to think he couldn't find it the next day? His life freezes, and this can happen suddenly. Out of the blue, we can suddenly confront this feeling when new ones are not placed in the empty spaces of the shelves in the evening. We can confront. Fear and hunger are two things that can always come up as a bad option, a painful option, a great risk, and hunger. But Allah Azza and Jalla says that we are tested with this, to bring about awareness that Allah Azza and Jalla is the one who governs using any of these options, to purify individuals who possess such qualities, to separate them from those who do not possess such qualities. Calamities serve as litmus papers that test the consciousness of servants towards Senabi Haq in life's trials and tribulations. When you view life like this, these are the typical tools, the things that should be present in life. If there is no one who values life, did he create it just like that? Did you think that we created you in vain? If he will not care about us, the power that created the conditions of life by managing it, adjusting its conditions up and down, the tremendous difference between those who love and respect him, who care about him, and those who turn their backs on him, the terrifying difference between those who love and attach themselves to him, and those who hate and turn their backs on him. In this world, in the universe, with the existence of human beings that always seem completely different, what do the intelligent people expect from the Creator? A magnificent being like that on this sphere, meaningless, baseless, pointless, and without result. Those who do not think can assume it like this, for example. Moreover, they can go one step further and console themselves with the fallacy of considering their existence as already indebted to a higher power, its knowledge and will, that is, as having occurred randomly in a blind and uncontrolled process due to lifeless and involuntary interaction. However, those who engage in critical thinking realize that we are in a completely different ground in terms of perceiving the immense systematics in their own existence and the universe around them. They see that it is created, brought into existence with knowledge and will, and subject to management by the same power. Then there is no coincidence. Everything created is something consciously created by a unique and willful power, and in the conditions that are sustained and changed, it is carried out with a certain purpose, controlled, with a certain interaction, as a life to collect the reactions and responses given by the servant. Then these possible bad options have a meaning. If it comes to me not randomly, not by chance, if it comes to the other, there is something special that he wants to check in it, like a special question in the question booklet, adjusted according to its condition.